Connecting an American Express gift card is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Open the Apple Wallet application on your iPhone. Now, tap on the plus button. Look for the plus button, usually located in the top right corner of the application. Then choose credit or debit card. Select the option to add a credit or debit card. Use your iPhone's camera to capture the information on your American Express gift card. This is often done automatically, and it helps avoid manual entry. If the camera option is not available or if it fails to recognize the card, you may need to enter the card details manually. This typically includes the card number, expiration date, and security code. Now review the information you entered, and if everything is correct, confirm to add the American Express gift card to Apple Wallet. Once added to Apple Wallet, you can use your American Express gift card through Apple Pay wherever it is accepted.